Calories from milk tea. Originally invented in Taiwan back in the 1980s, the sweet tea drink known as bubble tea goes by names that include pearl milk tea or boba milk tea. Combining strong black or green tea with milk and flavorings such as fruit and taro syrups, the drink has pearls of tapioca floating near the bottom to suck up through an oversized straw. Due to the customization of milk tea, depending on which tea shop you go to, it's impossible to give one answer to the question of how many calories are in milk tea. It depends on how much sugar, milk, fruit, and toppings you or the bubble tea shop add to the tea base. To give us idea, I have this milk tea recipe with a yield of 12 ounces or 350 ml. The 3/4 cup of tea, this is calorie free so it won't give any calories. The 3 teaspoons of sugar will provide 60 calories from 15 grams of carbohydrates, while the 1/2 cup of milk will provide 170 calories from 12 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams protein, 10 grams of fat. This is based on the Food Exchange List 4th edition. While the 1/4 cup dry tapioca pearls will provide 140 calories from 36 grams of carbohydrates based on this packaging found online. All in all, this milk tea recipe will give a total of 370 calories, 63 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams protein, and 10 grams of fat. Every teaspoon of sugar you add is equivalent to 20 calories. If you add other ingredients like creamer, extra syrups, frostings, and biscuits like Oreo, the calories can go as high as 400 to 500 kilocalories. Enjoy your milk tea, but be aware of how much sugar you're consuming, particularly simple sugars, because consuming too much simple sugars has been linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, obesity, heart disease, and even cancer. In addition, if you consume 1 cup of milk tea per day without any modification in the diet and lifestyle, you can gain about 1 pound or half kilogram per week. These are ways to reduce the calories from milk tea. Number 1, you can try to reduce the sugar. Milk tea shops offer sugar levels where you can choose the amount of sugar to be added to your milk tea. Choose the lowest. For milk, use non-fat milk, low-fat, or skimmed milk. Also, skip the frosting if you can. You can also ask for a plain bubble tea without the chewy tapioca pearls or reduce the amount of tapioca pearls. Or perhaps you can just drink plain tea, which is calorie-free. Now that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much.